my dears, as you know, it's the holidays are creeping up, you know, like the Halloween, Hanukkah, Thanksgiving, Christmas! Now, as you know, a lot of things, at least in the makeup world, a lot of things are releasing early for the holidays. And today I'm going to be reviewing, of course, my favorite brand, the Too Faced Gingerbread, like I did with the Gingerbread Extra Spicy palette, but the Gingerbread Bronzed and Kiss. This set has bronzer and a lipstick set. So, we're going to test different ways to apply it, pigmentation, is it easy to blend, and the lipstick. I'll let you know, the color, how it looks, how it applies, etc, etc. So, if you're interested in finding out about this lovely set, and if it's worth your money, then keep watching, my dears. Keep watching. Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my dears, and thank you so much for watching and pushing the play button. I really, really appreciate it. And today we're gonna figure out and discover the Gingerbread Bronzed and Kiss bronzer and lipstick set. This is being sold on Sephora, and so sometimes it's kind of hard to figure out what to give people. And if you have a makeup lover in your life or someone that's just starting, we're gonna try to see how this actually works, especially with the little characters. And this one actually has like a little tote bag where you can put everything in. So we'll discover that as well. But before we begin, I just want to remind you to please consider subscribing and remember to push the little notification bell because it will let you know when my videos are up and loaded. And remember to follow me on all of my social medias on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, and even Snapchat, because it will let you know when my videos are up and loaded, my dears. And I load every Monday and Friday. And just in case if you're new, my channel is mostly about makeup reviews, try-ons, makeup tutorials, which I will have a makeup tutorial on this eye look. Let me know if you're interested, comment below. And unboxings, and of course music, and a little bit of acting. My last video I did shoot my 2-minute monologue for a project I may or may not be involved in. If you haven't checked it out, with this video right over here, I'll also link it down in the description below. For no further ado, let's dive into this Too Faced Gingerbread Bronze and Cute lipstick set and see if it's worth it. Well, alright, my dears. Now, we're gonna go ahead and dive what's in this holiday set. So, when I first open it, if I can open it, I'm struggling. This cute mini gingerbread like little bag comes out. It's so cute! It has a zipper and everything. It's sparkly. Yeah, I think this is gonna be my favorite Christmas bag. I can put in my little makeup and, okay, sorry, I got distracted by cuteness. But you get this cute little bag, which is very, very cute. And yes, I understand I'm an adult, but I still like cuteness, okay? I still like cuteness. And it has this little heart of Too Faced. See? Okay, so when I open it, it should have the bronzer and the lipstick. It's all nice, wrapped up, pretty. Trying to get it out. Trying, hold on. Struggling. Just making sure there's nothing else in there. Okay, nice blank. Okay, and it gets wrapped up in this little like wrapper. Okay, so as I open it, aww, this is so cute. Look at this. Now it does the bronzer. It has the cute little gingerbread there, and it's like 3D. You can feel the imprints in there, and it has Too Faced in it. And the cute little packaging of Too Faced with the lipstick. So we'll be trying those out today. As you can tell, I already have my makeup on. I already have eyeshadow, which this is from the Too Faced Extra Spicy palette. Yes, I already created this look. I will have a makeup tutorial on this look coming soon. And I did add like additional products, but I'll go into it when I do that tutorial, my dears. So we're gonna find out how this bronzer actually works and if it's worth it, So I do have my little mirror here, but let me try to get my hair a little bit out of the way. Okay, so when I first open this compact, it has that, and it's so cute. And it's so cute, the cute little imprint. I know, it's pretty. Now when you first open it, oh, there's a scent. It's a good scent. It does smell. It does have a gingerbread smell. Gingerbread cookie smell. With a touch of mocha. Just a touch. Not a lot, just a touch. Interesting. And it has the cute little imprint. Oh! Ooh, it's white. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to mess it up. I messed up. Alright, so let me try the first application. I'm going to try using my e.l.f. Complexion Brush just to see how the pigmentation is and if that works. If not, I have another brush that's completely different from this and see if that works, because you don't know the pigmentation, because the color of this is spicy bronzer. Okay, I'm gonna try to go on the side. I don't want to ruin the, let's see. Okay, I'm gonna have to go to the for 3D. Well, it looks like the whiteness goes away when you brush. Okay, I guess that was just overspray. Do you guys see any color? Ah, okay. It just took a minute. There's the color. It just took a minute. It has like this orangey warmth. Let me blend everything in a little bit better. Let me try a different brush that's a little bit more compact. This is the Marc Jacob The Shape in number 15. Let me see if that builds up the pigmentation, because this is what happens with just a regular complexion brush. Just a little bit floppy, so it's a little bit more natural. But let's see if we're able to build it up. Okay, here's the comparison with this brush for this. Let me know in the comments which side you prefer, with the e.l.f. complexion or the Marc Jacob. Now, let me even myself up a bit. It has a little bit of that reddish orangey to it, but it's actually a nice color. I think so far this will be good for like my skin tone or lighter. If you have darker, I don't think this is going to show up. If you have a deeper complexion, I do not think it will show up, my dears. But maybe for the darker complexion, you put on your regular bronzer and you can put this on top, more like a little bit of a topper. That's one way you can do it. But if you're my complexion, you can wear this on your own, but it's just basically the color you're gonna have just a little touch of warmth, just a little. So that's basically how it looks with the bronzer. Alright, so let's go straight into the lipstick. And this is in the shade that they made it Gingerbread Man. Okay. Alright, so when we open it, it's like the regular Too Faced that they have. It's the clip version. It's not a magnetic closure, because I know that's another packaging Too Faced has. It's like this nice warm orangey color. Let's see how it looks. I do have lip liner underneath, because that just helps colors last. You don't, like, I don't always use lip liners, but that's just a tip. Well, it's a very interesting color. It does look like a color for like Christmas. Now, once you apply it on the lip, it's a little bit creamy, not a lot creamy, but it's a little creamy where you can slide and put it on your lips without, you know, that tug or toughness. The only thing I've noticed is that, which I should have done, but I didn't, exfoliate your lips, because if you have any dryness whatsoever, like mine, I do have a little bit right here, it will pick up any dryness that you have, so exfoliate your lips, because apparently it picks that up. That's the color, but it looks very, very nice. Now, if you're into this type of color, it's worth it. If not, like this is usually not my type of color, but for the holidays, I can see myself wearing it. So let's go ahead and set everything, and that way the makeup and everything else can set and blend into the skin better. So today I'll be using Anastasia Beverly Hills setting spray. What I do gotta say about the setting spray, sorry, I'm trying not to like open my eyes so much. It's a nice setting spray, and I like it, and it does last. And no, it doesn't have to glitter. This just package that spray. Look at it. It's like, it's not that nice. It needs to be finer, Anastasia. Yeah, it needs to be finer. So that's basically how it looks with the bronzer and the lips. But I'm gonna experiment on something. I want to see how it looks like with gloss. So I'm going to try to see, you know, if it changed any of the color or anything like that. I'm going to be using the Buxom and Emma. It has a little bit of shine, so you can tell I'm like going down. See, I'm getting some proud of myself when I'm able to go through lipsticks and glosses, because I have a lot of them and I just don't want any of them to expire. I know. Alright, my dears, as you can tell, this is the end result with the bronzer, lipstick, and a little bit of shine. So, on to my thoughts. Alright, my dears, now that's basically all the review from the lovely Too Faced Gingerbread Bronzer to the lipstick. The Gingerbread Man? Gingerbread Man. So, this bronzer I like, but do you remember when I said if you are a deeper complexion, this would be a good topper? I think this applies to even lighter complexions because, okay, let me explain. I think it just has to do with your makeup style. For me, I like intensity. I like dramatic. I like heaviness because, well, for me, I like my makeup to last long, but I depend a lot on setting sprays for it to melt into the skin and for things to look absolutely flawless and stay all day, my dears. Because I do plan to have a video of learn about some makeup hacks. The makeup can last, things look flawless, and you look like a perfect little doll. So that video is coming up soon, and if you are kind of curious and want that video as well, let me know, comment below. But back to the product, my apologies. Now, as you can tell, it leaves like this nice orangey, like Christmas glow, which I get why they made it. It does look like a nice Christmas glow. I like it. It does. If your makeup style is very natural-ish, just this alone would be perfect. For me, for my taste, I think what I would do is add like just like a contour, like a darker brown here. Not a lot, just a darker, and then put this on top, like a little topper, and blend it in. I think for my taste, that would be a lot better for me. I do like this product, and it's not bad. I do think they need to keep these like not limited time. I do think they need to keep this color though. It is absolutely gorgeous. I do like the color. I really do. But like anything else, for my taste of makeup, I will want something a little bit darker. And I think this may be the only shade they have. So if you're gonna buy this for someone, like I said, if they're in my complexion and lighter, this would be perfect. But if they're like a makeup junkie, like you know how we are, tell them if they want a little bit more dramatic, put a darker bronzer underneath or contour, and then this on top is a topper. And if you're a deeper complexion, just use it as a plain old topper. So I do like it. You were able to blend it. If you use like a little like flimsy brush, it's gonna be a lot lighter compared to if you use the Marc Jacob, which is a lot heavier. As you can tell, I did use a lot heavier, and it still came out, you know, more pigmented, but still natural. So your choice there in the application. But I do think it's a very good product. Blendability, fantastic. Color, and as for cuteness, 100%. Off to the lipstick. The packaging, absolutely adorable. It's not 3D like it is with this one. Oh, like I said, this one has the 3D. Oh, love. Anyways, this, it just has the regular snap, which for me, I think that's perfectly fine. It's probably better than magnetic anyway, because if you put this in your purse, the last thing you want is for the cap to fall off, because magnetic, questionable, my dears. It can be questionable. But with this, like I said, I do like this color. Now, for my taste, I would not wear this color year round. It's just not me. I'm more in the purpley, nudish type of colors, to be honest. But I can see that for like the holidays that you celebrate, like even like for Thanksgiving or for Christmas or any of the holidays that you want to spice it up or have a little bit of orange in your look, this would be absolutely fantastic. And if you have more of a natural look like I do, except I do have a little bit of glam on my lids, like I said, this tutorial will be coming up soon. It's like a nice color that anybody can wear. And if you're a deeper complexion, I feel like this is going to look a lot better on you than it does for my complexion lighter, to be honest with you. Because with your deeper complexion and this, beautiful. So those are my thoughts. And like I said, it also includes the cute little gingerbread bag. It is so cute. So you can put all of your makeup here, like when you're traveling for family or on vacation or something. This would be something cute to be like to bring out, because just looking at this makes me smile. I hope it makes you smile too. So I would say yes, this is a recommendation for anybody in your family that, you know, wants to dabble a little bit of makeup. This is a lovely Christmas present for the makeup lovers in your family. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you made it to the end of my video, yay! So proud of you. You are awesome. And continue on to the rest of my days, such as you. But right before we leave, I just want to remind you, please consider subscribing. It means a lot and it really helps me. And comment below and give me a like. It really helps me on the engagement on YouTube, because it'll also help me make more videos. And if you have any other videos you want me to make, let me know and comment below. But one last thing, right before we leave, that I say in all of my videos. Be safe, be kind, be careful. I love you, I miss you, and I'll see you on my next video. See you soon. Love you.